Hello everyone, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, I'm your host Mr. Jeliang. Today I am very happy and excited. Yes, because of your love and support, only today our channel have hit 20k subscribers. So thank you so much everyone. As per your request, yes, I will. What is that? Te puentot? Salah. इतना खुश हूँ कि मैं दिल से बोल नहीं पाता हूँ. So I am very much happy. 20,000 subscriber ngau la sang ma da nang nui gu nga nang nui na support te be jig na le nang nui do po berte ndoi ni lo nang nui gu support kana ai so na subscriber kb bam bra specially anu zemete je bam ba hezim ko ne le ka ka sare se si do hezim ko sama bod prim ba ne ko te se ga ago channel views te bam ba hezim ru ne ma je kana maram hang ga du i English to sa hai Hindi to sa ka se su kan kya ja lu nai lo si ja prim ba bam ja I do apo channel ja maram ja tu pe si ai nei ilai ja maram ja ko to ja films te ne jina ta lai na mix te sa hai dre. Without further delay, we are going to start answering to your question. So let's get started. Well planet, क्या तुम अग्निपथ जाने चाहोगे? अरे यार अग्निपथ में तो मैं ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन भी मेरा एज पार हो चुका है. अग्निपथ ज्वाइन करने के लिए मेरा एज जो लिमिट था वही पार हो गया, इसलिए मैं कर नहीं पाएगा. जो एज लिमिट क्रॉस नहीं हुआ उन लोगों के लिए मैं एडवाइस करता हूँ, आप लोग जरूर ज्वाइन कीजिएगा. ये अच्छा मौका मिला है तुम लोगों के लिए. चलो लेट्स स्किप टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्या है? डन हु इज दैट वायरल्स डन हुकअप. पता नहीं रे, हुकअप मैंने किया ना नहीं किया वो तो बोल नहीं पाएगा. कर भी हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. आई माइट बी और माइट नॉट बी, नॉट श्योर. सो let's skip to the next question. Itang nei la nang kang pui nang nai pau rai ma ichika la mui chomei krasa damra ma mui ko. Okay, I had a hai na so na review te ngoro da sib jina nai ga personal da orang ga chirin pakna nai ga namai gi kon tham dai pi the second catching na do la po sam da ngai le headhunter je me movie youtube ke kai ma kurei me apo answer to ke game na ne da apo ani go je me film first ever feature film alung singa ke film je tunare sanga na youtube ke kai ranga ani apo mai kai de le ya sa chila la series do nai kom ga ani go senior te ba ma ani go director the managing director na bon chile gule nai kom na kai ba kai sing le gula tuna ani delhi ge last screening go ma te ro na mai da screening te ro design na si jai youtube ngau le gudele ngi lu sia slo ai da pihin zu bi dele nang le ka go bi ge wang lak dele plama ni da financial crisis di bizigna finance ge ni te puira nang za make up te re di bizigna a se lo zo ma ti ma kai gudele nai kom kai sing le ba ai na rang bai de hai to twing pan na nang ki mina hang dai zeb lo me gi ro ga ko si te ne lang lo Zema gospel singer hoga chau character chalang lo akina ma mina hang sorong lamoi apu ya pe anai akiga mina hang kreu la le raneng ya beja akina maram do apu ya pe medo sunare sanga na sau hyang jala dele si de nang ni blessing dele. Okay za na me giro ga kau ji de ne lang lo me giro ga kau ji de ne lang lo za na ya me giro te ne lang ba local rui lo ga kan ki rui da chi de prongเป็นนี่ผมก็ปราศตั้มแกไม่เกี่ยวมีลงว่าจังแบบปังไก่ที่ดูปังไก่ไหนปรอนั่งกวางตีรอที่เตวเด็กอะลงว่าตั้งสังกัดสโลกาลรุ่ยจ้ะเจม่ก็โลกาลรุ่ยเต็มในหลังเลยเจม่กอสเปลซิงเกอร์โรกะเจ้ากูคาแรคเตอร์นั่นสารังแล้วเจม่ซิงเกอร์สารัดนะคาแรคเตอร์นั่นอีเลยจะที่คำว่าเซลุสิโดอินะจุนาราชิบกะนิ่งจีแล้วเนี่ยแบบเสียผู้ซื้อยับผู้คาแรคเตอร์จ้าสังไม่ป้าบ้ามันจะลุงวังสังก็จะเสียมีส่วนโพลย์like status ตัวมาดูมีมาใกล้เป็นเสียไม่every comment เฮ้ยอีเป็นใน YouTube ก็ดู comment ได้ส่งมาจะบ้ามันจะป้าจะเฮ้ย social media ก็ดูจะน่าสู้ respect แต่ว่าอีนั่งเอาแบบเสียกันนะผู้คาแรคเตอร์ห่างเต้จะอีเล่เสียแบบอีนั่นเป็นสู้เสียไปเลยนั่งอีนั่นสู้เสียเลยเนี่ยเสีย Okay, next question. Here is the next question from Ramkaulak Wing Kyong. A symbol of smile. See. What's your full name? Yes, you may like to know my full name. Okay. My full name, which is given by my grandmom and granddad, is that Zeleng Ying. Actually, my name is Zeleng Ying. Okay. But I never write this even in the documents. I never use this one. I usually use that Zeleng Zema even in documents. So I don't want the people to call me as Zeleng, okay? Don't call me as Zeleng, okay? I am Zeleng only. Okay, next one. Robina Root Blocks. As a YouTuber, you might have faced many challenges. So what challenges that you always face? The challenge I always face is that, guys, so I'm not fluent enough in English. So they always advise and they always give a challenge. And I have a big challenge on it. Okay, I will try my best to speak always the better one, but I don't know how to use it. Okay, anyway, we'll skip to the next one. What is that? How do we overcome them, or what's make you move on? Okay. See, that answer is that I never think myself as a low one that me kabhi bhi khud ko niche nahi rakhta hai. I can do. I usually use this word. I can do. Even you, even I, we are human. There is nothing impossible if we try. So I always saying what nothing is impossible. So I try my best, though I'm not fluent enough in speaking. I always try. So message for the upcoming YouTubers. Okay, here is the message for upcoming YouTubers. All the upcoming YouTubers, please, if you want to be a great YouTuber, or if you want to be a famous YouTuber, never give up. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if you try. And then I request all the upcoming YouTubers upload more video whether it is good or bad. Upload more video whether it is good or bad. खराब हो अच्छा हो video upload करते रहो. At least upload 2-3 videos in a week so that your viewers, your subscriber will be increasing very soon. So that's the advice. Kabhi give up nahi karne ka. Think yourself as a best one so that you can overcome. Okay. Thank you for this question. Stoners, from where do you get the idea or inspiration to study YouTube career? Yes, that's a good question. I get an idea to start a YouTube channel. The most idea from local YouTubers. Like, I'm not going to mention. You might know in the last video I have mentioned their name. So CBI Gaming, you are the love sign best YouTuber in Zeme tribe. Love you, bro. Okay, bro. Thank you so much. Well planned. Jawab zarur dena. What never asks a question but get answer all the time. Google's answer all the question if it's needed, if we ask. But the Google never asks us. Google's कभी हम लोग को क्वेश्चन नहीं करेगा, सिर्फ आंसर ही देता है. So Google's is the right answer. M3 brothers, what is the best commenter you ever received? Best commenter, giving a good advice and what to say. They give us some sweet word to improve or to grow more and more. No? This kind of comment is really appreciate, and I always give a pins to those commenter. See, notice that if you comment the best comment in the comment section, I am ready to pin your comment. So give good, better, best comment so that I will pin your comment. Notice. Lamding Zema, everything is okay with your channel, but please subtitle whenever you speak Hindi or Nagamese. Requesting you, okay. I will do that. कभी बोल जाता है, हिंदी बोल जाता है, नागामीज cover ना पारे बोली भी. I used to speak, so I will add. Absolutely agreed with your question. Agreed with your request, not a question, request. I accept your request. Okay, Marcin Pama, what is your biggest regret? How old are you? What is your biggest regret? Yeah, चलेगा. I never care about the past because past will never come again. So let it be, let it go, let it go, let it go. I never regret all those. Let it go, let it go. So how old are you? I think this year I may be 28. I'm not this much young, okay? हो गया, उम्र तो हो गया, लेकिन देखने में ना I'm see my looks are like kids ना, but I'm old enough. This year I'm reaching 28, running 28. Okay, how many videos you upload in a week? 1 week. Okay, I usually upload 2-3 videos in a week, but if I have some work much busy, then I used to upload single, and sometimes I used to skip. My target to upload the video in a week is 3, but that's not possible. I usually upload 2 or 1 in a week. Some say name, how old are you? Yes, I have answered in the last question. 28 running. How many XZF you have already? Well, I always upload मेरा family है, इसलिए बता रहा हूँ. Okay, I don't have much ZF. Oh, sorry, I never go for count. Okay, कभी भी मैंने count किया नहीं है. I think it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, it may be that much, but I never count for this. Ilong tao nei never. When are you going to get married? When will you upload Zemi film on YouTube? Okay, first one. When will you get married? Okay, whenever I'm ready to take any responsibility. After that only I'm going to get married. Now though I'm not that much, I don't ready yet. Responsibility कर नहीं पाएगा, इसलिए I will be waiting for that moment when I'm ready to get any responsibility. When I'm ready to get any responsibility, only I'm going to get married. And this, even if we talk about that age, I thought of getting married around 31, 32, but that's not fixed. Not fixed. So when will you upload Zemi film on YouTube? Okay, as I said in the last answer, last question. See, we thought of uploading very soon, but we are facing a financial crisis, so we are doing screening village to village, town to town, city to cities. So when we finish this one, actually it may be the last for this screening. We'll be doing this screening on that one, Delhi. After Delhi only we are going to upload, and I'm sure that we will upload this year itself. Naga Bai Mix. What is your hobby excluding blogging? Okay, my hobbies are not only one. Okay, my hobbies are actually I love playing that one, volleyball. This is R.S. Mpame. From among our tribe, who is your favorite YouTuber and why? Actually, my favorite YouTuber among Zeme is Saululer, that one Saululer blogs or Saululer Riyama blogs something. I like her very much, the way she speaks, but this time she's not focused on her channel. What is your weakness? What will be my weakness? Actually, my weakness is lack of patience. Second wala, haflong abi, what is that? Haflong abi barsat के कारण बर्बाद हो गया, उसका पर आपका क्या विचार है? हाफलोंग में ये लैंडस्लाइड, हैवी रेन बहुत हुआ था. इसे समय घर भी कोई का घर तो ले पानी से लिए गया, तो उन लोगों के लिए हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो दिल से उन लोगों के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं. चलो, okay, this is the answer. I can't even give the right answer. I don't even understand what is the exact that one meaning, but according to my idea, it may be the right one. To nyanglo.com, who is the best to photographer in among them community? It's only for you, to whom you belong. Okay, I love the way you yes Nyanglo, I love the way you click that one photo. So one will be you, nyanglo.com, and two will be Kihe Riame. Okay, both of you are the best for me. Angam le Riame. In which year did you start a YouTube channel and why? Yes, I have started my YouTube channel 2018, and why? So I love to work on YouTube because it gives me much courage. If I don't use this YouTube, I may not be this much. I may be facing much difficulties in speaking in front of the crowd, in front of the public. But this time, I don't have any shy. Even though I'm not fluent enough, I'm always ready to stand in front of the crowd. So YouTube gives me much knowledge to speak. Oh yeah, that's the answer. Why ask? Okay, Kin say, how did you start your channel? See, to start YouTube is not an easy. First, create your own channel and then upload the video. Even the video should be that one. The video must be attracted by the people, by the audience, by the public, so that you will get more view, more subscriber. But in simple way, according to your question, how did you start your channel? Yes, to start YouTube channel, I upload the video, and at first I don't do this one. Hi, hello. I never go for the blog. I upload some of the game taking from others village or like tournament. I used to go there and I used to have some video, and then I never speak in front of the camera before at the beginning. But day by day I try. Hi, hello. Yes, I did it. But this time, even now, I don't even prepare for this Q&A video. But on the spot itself, I check out that one question, and I read it out one by one. I answer it one by one sequentially. People hang na. Ano is meron na 1 lakh subscriber chang duime challenge. This symbol. Ina no mai ga ano zero na 1 lakh subscriber chang la kung sang naito ano cooperation to pen sam ja pe be sudo 1 lakh sang ra no mang bida ka tsenga sunara sang ba nang mina to request ba hazime ko na salo ka sevle sudo hazim ko ron damade zaya abu subscriber le ja 20% na maram jale bam sina maram ja kote ai then anu hazim zero na ka le subscriber le ja poso sam bile le sina anu hazim re na 1 lakh sang ra na ya huwa fung biran na mai da siba. Do you want to become a rich person? 1, 2. I want to know your crush or your secret crush. Have you ever drink and fight to your father? 4. You can do a holy marriage. Okay, 1. Do you want to become a rich? Yes, everyone to become a rich, because money is everything this time. Without money, we can't even go out anywhere. So money is everything. Yes, 100% I want to become a rich. I want to know your secret crush. Yes, I might be having or I might not be having a secret crush. This question is not ready. I'm not ready to answer this question. Next video I will answer this question for sure. Okay, number 3. Have you ever drink and fight with your father? Okay, I drink, but I never have a fight with my father. Yes. Can you do a holy marriage? I think to do holy marriage is question mark. Sorry friend, video लेते खत्म करने पे यार बैटरी शेष हो गया. So I think I will be answering your question by mobile itself. Okay. Last film you watched, do you have a tattoo? Tell me your nickname. Okay, the last film I watched is Anek, no? The film which is acted by Nagaland Olagal. That one. Okay, do you have a tattoo? Yes, I have some tattoo, a little tattoo here. See, here is a tattoo. Yes, this is tattoo. Okay, then what is my nickname? Tell me your nickname. I don't have any nickname. Call me as a fresh dog, okay? Oh, handsome Moita. What's your hair well name? Handsome Moita, what's your hair well name? Can you do a blog without applying a hair oil in your head? Okay, I don't use that hair oil. Sometimes I do use that one mitatel, and then I usually apply that gel, said web. Okay, of course I will be doing without applying any hair oil in my head, in my hair. I'll be doing this blog very soon without applying any hair oil. Syncope official blog. How many or how much you earn money from YouTube? Did you have done anything to someone with your YouTube money? Actually, I don't have this knowledge. I am not proud enough to say that I'm doing this by YouTube money, this and that. But yeah, sometimes I did even in hospital to give that one, to give a small gift to all the mothers out there in hospital. Okay, here is another question from let's say Willa Pame. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do I have? I have 3 brothers, 3 sisters, including me. We have 7 brothers and sisters in my family. Hang sroglale, akina me hang chum, akina hle me hang chum, rang hang chum isokana ba. They are younger than me. Quizzy, what is that Quizzy? What is your income? What is your income from YouTube? Yes, I don't have much income from YouTube, but if I say directly, after 2-3 months, I used to get that one, 8 or 7K something. Yes. What is that? So name eh? Yeah, question will be answering right now. My question is: have you ever flirted with your neighbor's auntie? What? क्या से कहाँ से ये सब आइडिया आई अरे हाई क्या ये सब मुझको पूछना पड़ा. Okay, I never have flirt with neighbor's auntie. कभी किया नहीं है. I never do that. Mahoring, William Mahoring. What is your crush mother's name? Sorry, bro. I can't mention that one. I haven't, but I'm not going to mention. Aningba Inu. Who is your favorite YouTubers? See, if I talk about the favorite YouTubers, I will only talk about that Norris, okay? Norris, best favorite YouTubers for me is that one, B-Boys. I love him very much. I love the way he did the blog. He always give that one sacrifice for their subscriber. So I love B-Boys. I love you, B-Boys. Breaking news, asipil je solo. Breaking news, asipil je Mr. Jilang lay. Kisaba daime. Your question is what? How do you get the background music in YouTube? Okay, you can get it by typing non-copyright music. Okay, here is the next question from Zem Call Music. Call ting na nang naukura lo, brother Zeleng. Ina sa no sa gum za naukura na pating garele ide ago family te ranga responsibility ludui dele ba karina tuning pata zaina ataiga income source zaina mataline responsibility ludui zaina ya naukura nga ready te gule kas. Irang name, what kind of girl do you like to be your future wife? Why? Yes, it's not much needed the beauty one, but I need that one who can handle the family in a proper way. Nah, this kind of girl I really need. As I said, if she is ready to take any responsibility, I can even marry it with her. Next question. Nang kangmrama miram nang kangmram nang kangma or miramana nang hang kau tateu gai ra gui lang lo zai kau sam sa gai be sene lang lo. Akang bram na asui ra te zai na hanga ma i ra te be lunei lang de le I ma te wang sang la wa kang ma zu hel te be ze hanga na asui lang le zai na kau sam sa gai be lunei lang lo nang je gana po ata de success te lu de le se be akang ma chu ngai be gana akang ma pnu si bam be lunei lang pnu si be sam sa wang be lunei lang le itu la te le kaha banaya ye blog. Okay, ये blog हाफलोंग लोंगमांग near LP school पे बनाया था. सिंग अंगा में नंग कांगपुइला में नंगौ जा चु लुने प्लुंग इबे में hello ibe lu nei lao kang puya bam lao dele zaina hello ibe do ma go meter mle pelung ibe za minawanga na mi ring ting te ngolunga puida nga pelung ibe za ilang dele sina pelung iban chale hello le za ibe do inte da kan hello ibe so na pelung ibana iya choose te dele pelung ibe za hangana ile ka sebe. Have you ever farted and enjoyed the smile? अरे सब क्वेश्चन किसे पूछता किया रे कभी तो ट्राई किया है मैं करने बिये लो जा बिरा नाम में को ट्राई किया गोंग राम चंगला नागालैंड यूट्यूब रोगा चौचुन चालांग लाओ नागालैंड यूट्यूबर रोगा चौचुन चालांग लाओ नागालैंड यूट्यूबर रोगा चालांग बाने पर्सनली सब लगा पु चैनल जी छना ड्रीम्स अनलिमिटेड चैनल देन चालांग गला काने के पर्सनली पुनी जी को रति दा मिस्टर स्माइल आई लव the way she did video and all zeli da nang YouTube te gai ga na hanga ngau kan to be ngau lo ino garang di kom ja YouTube te de jaina nang haro ga du I haro du wang chi da jaina haro ga chuna media like chi blog te hanga khangam te ga di lenda ne ya po te mang ka ne haro ga sam sara se be hi hello te rangam sang kole ga na I haro ga jinma ro sable chulu ja sam sara ma te ro se ba ne inkare sanga na apo confident level pa be ja YouTube te ga na hanga kan to be ngau bedle next video. And then at last I would like to say thank you so much everyone for making our channel 20k subscriber. Because of your love and support आज तो हम लोग का सब्सक्राइबर 20,000 सब्सक्राइबर हो चुका है और अगर तुम लोग मेरा साथ में हमेशा रहते रहेगा तो 50,000 सब्सक्राइबर 100k सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएगा. तो be with me, चलो साथ में मिलकर हम लोग YouTube जर्नी यहाँ से और आगे जाएंगे. ठीक है. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will be uploading that Zemi film. This film is uploading very soon. Stay tuned. Our Fresh Talk YouTube channel. So we'll see you again in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Love you all. Jai Hind.